Yes, it's Lady A here, and I have my sister, and I'm going to do some super surprises. So first, I will open this yellow. A Splash Soda. Can I have one? There's these little fizz. Oops. Here, they're really good. They taste like Splash. And they have little candies. So yeah, they're pretty cool. So first surprise
I'm gonna open this
of the day. No, I can choose. And she will open that one.
That's the one I got.
And she got another heart eraser.
Oops. We have many of those.
I'm gonna open this one. And this one, there are 2 stickers. Yes. I'll get this one. I got a fluffy ball.
I got a dolphin.
There it is. And she got a dolphin sticker. Nice. So, yeah, those were the things for this video. And comment down below what you want us to do besides super surprises. Alright, I'll see you next video. Bye.